Welcome, in front of me is an Honor Magic V5, and today I will show you how you can import contacts from a SIM card to the device. So, to get started, you will want to open up your standalone contacts application. See how long it takes me to find it. Okay, it looks like I can't find it. Let's see. Oh, for goodness sake, get lost. There we go. So we do have contacts, I just am blind enough that I can't find it. In any case, once you open up your contacts application, you can navigate to the Organize tab right here. Now, if you're in the closed mode, just pointing that out, so if we close it, you want to show this, it's going to be in a different location at the bottom right here instead of on the side. But once you click on it, in here, you want to navigate to the Manage SIM option, and this will display automatically all the contacts that are located on your SIM card. Now, by default, they should all be selected like they are for me, and you can deselect contacts that you don't want. But there is a little bit of a difference from probably what you're seeing on your end, which is between the Manage SIM and your first contact that is visible, you have your Google account visible, because majority of people actually use Google account on an Android device, which this is. So it will automatically try to import contacts to the Google account. Google is trying to hoover up all the data, technically without the consenting party people being involved in this, because if you're importing contacts, their contacts to cloud, technically you're spreading someone else's number to the internet for Google to see and hoover up. But you obviously have the option to change that by clicking on that drop down menu, which is completely absent for me from here, and change it to, for instance, the device. Now, because this device doesn't have any kind of account, it defaults to the device itself and doesn't give me this drop down menu, so these contacts will right now be only imported to the device. Anyway, from here we can click on import, and you can see it tells us how many contacts have been imported. When we go back to our contacts list, they will show up right here. And one thing that I can see is I have 3 contacts visible instead of 2 that I have imported. The reason for that is the 2 contacts that I have imported are now stored in a device, which would be like this one. So if I go to edit, it asks me which contact I want to actually edit, so it detects both of them. The one that is on the SIM card and the one that is on the device. And let's stick with the device. And you can see we have now way more options right here. So we can change things like name, add photos to contacts, change companies, add multiple numbers, email addresses, birthday addresses, and so on. And if we go back to this number, which I didn't import, I believe. I think this was this one. Yep. So this one is stored on a SIM card, and you can see it right here. It's saved to SIM. It didn't give me this option to choose if I want to do it from phone or SIM, because it's not on the phone. And when I go to edit it, it only gives me the name of the contact and the number, nothing else. I can change a photo, I can add multiple numbers or do any of that. So it shows you both locations of contacts, and it just kind of combines them. So because it technically has both of the contacts right now on the list right here, it's showing them just one copy of it. And if you also click right here on all contacts, you can change where these contacts are being displayed from. So we have all contacts, which basically pulls them from every location that it can. We have phone, which is where my 2 contacts are located from or on. And then we have the SIM card, which has all 3 contacts as well. But it doesn't display them twice, because it just kind of combines them into one. And same thing will happen if you have a Google account signed in and you store your contacts in your phone, Google account, and SIM card. They will always be just a single contact visible in your list. So with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.